Camstream 1. For those who love to capture every breathtaking moment of their journey, the Camstream 1 is more than just a camera. It's your window to immersive storytelling. This ultra-compact streaming camera is designed for the ruggedness of outdoor life, delivering crystal-clear video and real-time streaming with minimal setup. With a waterproof build and wide-angle lens, it captures nature in all its raw beauty, whether it's a misty morning hike or a fiery sunset at your campsite. Lightweight, durable, and incredibly versatile, it's the perfect digital companion for the modern explorer. ZenBivy Moto Bed. Now imagine sleeping outdoors with the same comfort and warmth as your bed back home. That's the promise of the ZenBivy Moto Bed. Designed for motorbike and overland adventurers, it's a complete sleep system that combines the freedom of a quilt with the security of a mummy bag. The clever layering design prevents cold spots and allows for effortless movement, while the soft, stretchy fabrics feel luxurious even in rugged terrain. With an integrated mattress and pillow system, the Moto Bed turns any patch of ground into a cozy refuge. Anymaka Portable Hammock Stand. What if you could relax in a hammock anywhere, without the need for trees? The Anymaka Portable Hammock Stand makes this dream a reality. With a robust folding frame and a 5-second setup time, this innovation lets you bring hammock comfort to the beach, the desert, or even a concrete rooftop. It supports most standard hammocks and collapses into a surprisingly compact bundle. It's ideal for spontaneous lounging or planned adventures, where relaxation is a top priority. Flash Speed Pro 3000 inflatable gear is nothing new, but the Flash Speed Pro 3000 takes it to the next level. This powerful palm-sized air pump can inflate a tent, a mattress, or even a raft in seconds. Built with high-speed motors and multiple nozzle attachments, it's an essential time saver for campers who value convenience. It's also rechargeable and compact, making it a no-brainer addition to any outdoor kit. When the sun sets and setup needs to be fast, the Flash Speed Pro 3000 ensures you're never wasting time or breath. Claris CL2. Light up your night with the Claris CL2, a collapsible camping lantern that's as versatile as it is powerful. Featuring 750 lumens of brightness and adjustable color temperatures, it provides both utility and ambiance in any setting. But the real magic lies in its transformable design. Fold it open for a full 360-degree spread, or collapse it down for a focused beam. With magnetic mounting and USB-C charging, it's a modern-day lantern that adapts to every situation, from cooking dinner at dusk to late-night reading in the tent. Ignic Fire Can Portable. There's something timeless about gathering around a fire. But what if you could skip the smoke, mess, and fire restrictions? Enter the Ignic Fire Can Portable. This sleek ammo can-style gas fire pit is designed for quick, safe, and satisfying campfires without the hassle. With a quick-connect propane hose and fold-out legs, it sets up in seconds and delivers a steady flame that's perfect for s'mores, stories, or just warming your hands. It's eco-conscious, compact, and incredibly easy to use, making it a must-have for modern camping. ENO Double Nest Hammock. Sometimes the classics just do it better. The ENO Double Nest Hammock is one of the most beloved pieces of gear in the outdoor world, and for good reason. It's lightweight, packable, and strong enough to hold 2 people with ease. Whether you're reading a book under the trees or stargazing in the desert, the Double Nest provides instant relaxation in any environment. And paired with the Anymaka stand, you're no longer limited by the terrain. Stoke Voltaics, electric kettle coffee lovers, and freeze-dried food fans, rejoice. The Stoke Voltaics. Electric kettle is here to deliver boiling water wherever your adventure takes you. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, it's one of the few portable kettles built specifically for camping. Whether you're making tea at sunrise or cooking noodles on a chilly night, this device brings modern convenience to the backcountry. Fast, compact, and safe, it's proof that roughing it doesn't mean sacrificing your creature comforts. Go Low Go Camp. The Go Low Go Camp isn't just a car camping system, it's a complete mobile habitat. Designed to fit in the trunk of most SUVs and hatchbacks, it unfolds into a fully integrated kitchen, sleep space, and storage hub. With a fold-out bed platform, modular drawers, and even a sink and stove, it's like having a tiny home that travels with you. Perfect for overlanders and road trippers, the Go Camp transforms your vehicle into a base camp ready for any adventure. Aero Go Aero Tent. Rounding out our journey is the Aero Go Aero Tent, a self-inflating, futuristic tent that pitches itself at the touch of a button. With built-in air beams and a quiet, integrated pump, it sets up in under 2 minutes and withstands wind, rain, and rugged terrain. Its spacious interior, waterproof design, and breathable mesh panels make it a standout for campers who want speed, reliability, and style. It's the epitome of modern tent technology, because why wrestle with poles and stakes when you can let the tent do the work? Opus Camper, OP4. When it comes to redefining what a camper trailer can be, the Opus Camper OP4 is in a league of its own. This rugged, off-road-ready marvel starts as a sleek, compact trailer but transforms, almost like magic, into a sprawling, fully equipped mobile base camp in under 15 minutes. Thanks to its air-inflated tent system, setup is practically effortless, using integrated air tubes to raise the structure with the push of a button. Inside, it boasts plush bedding for up to 6 people, a stainless steel slide-out kitchen, tons of storage, and even optional solar power integration. Built for the wild and engineered for luxury, the OP4 turns the harshest trails into a glamping paradise. It's not just a camper, it's a command center for adventure. Hammock Outpost. For those who crave the freedom of the hammock life, the Hammock Outpost takes things to an entirely new level. Unlike traditional hammock setups that depend on trees or posts, the Outpost is a freestanding, ultra-stable frame system that lets you set up your hammock absolutely anywhere, from desert flats to alpine clearings. Its telescoping aluminum construction ensures quick setup and durability, while its portability makes it perfect for minimalist travelers. Pair it with a Hammock hammock and shelter, and you've got a complete backcountry sleep system with panoramic views and zero footprint. It's comfort without compromise wherever you dare to go. Nomad Grills. Grilling in the wilderness doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or finesse, and Nomad Grills proves that with its bold, rugged design. Compact and clamshell in form, this high-performance portable grill is built like a tank but cooks like a dream. With precise airflow control, cast aluminum construction, and the ability to be used as a grill or smoker, it's a chef's best friend at any campsite. Whether you're searing steak in the forest or smoking brisket by the beach, Nomad Grills delivers pro-level results in a form factor that fits easily in the back of a car or camper. Fire-cooked flavor meets modern portability, and your campsite menu just got an upgrade. Pocket Sink. When space is limited but hygiene is essential, the Pocket Sink becomes a game changer. This foldable, ultra-lightweight wash basin is designed for campers, overlanders, and backpackers who need a way to wash dishes, rinse gear, or even take a quick sponge bath on the go. It packs down into something no larger than a wallet, yet expands into a 10-liter basin that's surprisingly durable and stable. Ideal for dishwashing, gear cleaning, or even filling with water for pets or plants. The Pocket Sink proves that even the smallest pieces of gear can make a massive difference in comfort and cleanliness in the wild.